Hello students. In this video we are going to understand the topic shifts in the budget line. In the last video we did the topic budget line. What is a budget line? It is the income constraint line for a consumer. It is a line that will limit the consumer as to what quantities that a consumer can purchase. We have also understood the equation of the budget line, how to plot a budget line on the graph, and the slope of the budget line. Now we are going to understand the cases when the budget line can shift. So there are only two cases when the budget line can shift. Remember, the budget equation is M is equal to PXQX plus PYQY. So that means there are two factors in the budget line. Number one is M, that is the money income, and number two is the prices, PX and PY. So if there is any change in the money income or the prices of any of the commodity, in that case the budget line will shift. So how the budget line will shift, that is what we are going to do. But first we have to keep one thing in mind, that the slope of the budget line is Px upon Py. If we keep this in mind, it is going to be very easy to understand how the budget line is going to shift. So let's do the first case. The first case is when M changes, that is when money income changes. Now see, the slope is Px upon Py. That means if M, that is money income, changes, there will be no change in the slope, because slope is the ratio of the prices. So if M changes, the slope will not change. So the budget line will move parallel. It will be either moving to the left side or the right side, but it will remain parallel as the slope is not changing. So if M increases, that means if the money income of the consumer increases, then he can purchase more commodities. So the budget line will shift to the right side parallelly. And if M falls, budget line will shift to the left side parallelly. Let us see this on the graph. So here, as we can see, on x-axis there is commodity X. On y-axis there is commodity Y. And this is the budget line of a consumer. So when money income increases, as you can see, M increases, the budget line will shift to the right parallelly. Similarly, if M decreases or it falls, the budget line will shift to the left parallelly. So we have to keep in mind that the slope of the budget line is not changing, because the slope is Px upon Py. There is no M in the slope. So if M changes, since prices are not changing, the slope is not changing, hence the budget line will shift parallelly. So this is the first case when the budget line can shift. Let's see the second case. Now what happens if there is a change in the price of any of the commodity? Now the slope of the budget line will change. So see, the slope is Px upon Py. So let's say prices increase. So here is the formula in front of me, Px upon Py, and Px is increasing. The numerator is increasing, so the slope will also increase. And the budget line will become more steeper. Let us see this graphically. So here is a case, again on x-axis we have commodity X, on y-axis we have commodity Y, and AB is the budget line. So let us see what is happening when prices of X are increasing. When price of X increase. Now think it like that. If the prices of X increase, will the consumer be able to buy more of commodity X or less of commodity X? Definitely he will be able to buy less of commodity X, because now X has become expensive. So earlier the consumer was able to buy this much quantity of X. But now when the prices have increased, he will be buying less of X. So in that case, the budget line will shift inwards. So as I can see, the budget line has become more steeper. This is a case when price of X increase, because now the consumer can buy less of commodity X because it has become expensive. On the other hand, we can see that there is no change over here because prices of Y are not changing. Earlier also consumer was able to buy this much quantity. Now also he is able to buy this much of quantity. So there will be only shift on the x-axis when price of X is changing. And the second case is when price of X fall. Now commodity X has become cheaper. So that means the consumer can buy more of X. So the budget line will shift like this. It will move to the right side and it will become more flatter. So just to sum it up, always remember what is this quantity B? This is M upon PX. This quantity is M upon PX. That means it is that quantity of X which a consumer is buying if he is spending his entire income on X. He is not buying any quantity of Y over here on this line because at X-axis Y is 0. So that means this is that quantity of X which a consumer is buying if he is not purchasing any quantity of Y. So now, what will happen if prices of X increase? The consumer can buy less of X, so the budget line will shift inwards. And if the price of X falls, now the consumer can buy more of X, so the budget line will move outwards on X-axis. Similar is the case when price of Y change. Now, let's say Y has become expensive. Prices of Y have become expensive. Since Y has now become expensive, of course, the consumer will be able to buy less quantity now because Y has become expensive. So we can see the budget line will move inwards. Similarly, if price of Y decrease, now that Y has become cheaper, so that means the consumer can buy more of Y. Now this consumer is able to afford more quantity of Y. So what will happen to the budget line? It will move outwards on Y-axis. So these are the cases when the budget line can shift. Number one, when money income, when there is any change in the money income, in that case the slope will not change. So the shift will be parallel, either to the right or to the left. When money income increases, consumer can buy more quantity, so the budget line will shift right parallel. And when money income falls, now the consumer can buy less quantity, so the budget line will shift left parallelly. Second is the case when prices change. And we know when the prices of any commodity change, in that case, the budget line, the slope of the budget line will change. So these are the cases when the budget line can shift. I hope this is clear to all of you. Thank you very much.